Today's video is on entering receipt from bank or receiving money from bank or by check. Now, we all understand that the basic idea of doing business is to make money. Now, this transaction is simply in relation to a client making payment for amounts that they are already owing us. And basically, the whole idea is that whenever we sell on credit, we pass sales invoices. And so when the client is making payment back to us or paying on that invoice, it means that it's either going to clear that invoice or reduce the invoice by its value. And so in a way, when I'm recording this transaction, when I'm receiving money in relation to credit sales, it means that the sales invoice would always be attached to the money that you are receiving. Now let's go on with the activity. To do this, let's first click on the receipt tab, so receipt and payments tab, and then we click on new receipt. Good. Now per the activity, Agape Phones is paying 4,200 of its opening balance that it had with us on the 27th of April. So first thing we are going to do is we are going to select 27th April. It's a receipt. Good. Now in the reference, the client is paying by check, and so we are going to enter the check number in the reference box. And the check number is 4213. Now, and then in the suspense box, we are going to select the account into which we are receiving the money, and we are going to select checks in hand. Now, cleared and pending, because once the person has given the check to you, it doesn't mean that the check will clear at the bank. It is after the check has cleared, then you come and then you change it to cleared, then it will finally have an effect in our account. But as at now, the check that the person has given us doesn't have a monetary effect on our transaction. Now in the payer box, we are going to type Agape Phones Limited. So in this box, we can still type Agape Phones Limited. You can type Agape Phones, or you can decide to give more description to this transaction so that you do not forget what it was about. Now in the account box, you realize that we are not selling an item, so you wouldn't be dealing with the item box, but then we are coming to our accounts box. Let's look for receivables, because if you want to get the invoice owing us by Agape, it is definitely going to be in our receivables account. We select our receivables, then we select the customer, who is Agape Phones, then the invoice number. The invoice number he's paying is DIN 001, and then we enter the amount, which is 4,200. After that, you click on create to save. So this is how to receive payment in Manager Accounting software. Thank you for watching this video.